Hey guys, we are back with another video. Okay, we are doing some Terraria. You can buy this game on Steam. I don't know the true price because one of my friends bought me this. And when you load it up, this is what it is. It's just like Minecraft, but more intense and has more stuff to it. The multiplayer, it's a little glitchy. Well, it's not really glitchy, but uh, like it's kind of hard to explain. Okay, well we can make a guy. I'm gonna add some green hair. There we go. The eyes. Let's put. Okay, there we go. Skin. That's good. Wait, that looks like a puke green. Oh, there we go. Okay, clothes, shirt. Okay, let's make this red. Let's add a little bit of blue, make it a little bit like a purplish pink red. It's not bad. Let's put these. There we go. Blue. That's good. And shoes. Well, let's keep those. Okay. Soft core. Medium characters drop on death. Soft characters drop money on death. Hardcore characters die for good. Yeah, we're gonna keep that. There you go. Name character. 13. That's the account I'm on right now. He's like super geared. Okay, and then I just made this world for you guys. I was doing a video like a few seconds ago and I kind of messed it up, so I had to redo it. Okay, well, I'm not used to this. Okay, it's a 2D, and when you spawn, they get different names. He's the guide. You can get help from him. This is how when you click help. Okay, you can place material in here. Only if it says material. See, that doesn't say it. Okay, now let's get some wood, just like regular Minecraft, but it has way more stuff. Oiga. Oh, this is so weird. I'm used to having my grapple hook and my demon wings and all my like really good armor and my like axe that cuts down trees in like 2 hits, or I think it's actually 1 hit. Oh yeah, plus I take fall damage. I gotta remember that. Okay, there you go. Okay, this is like helmets, just same thing as Minecraft. All your gear. The social, that's just what you look like. Accessories, those are all your defense. Like you can have defense and specials and all that. Okay, this is how when you click the little black house, it turns red. Okay, and then that's Cole. He's the guide. All you gotta do is make a wood house, add a door, chair, and a table, and then you click this, and when you click inside the house, if it says it's good, then you're allowed to um have someone spawn there. And you can get like merchants and all that, but I think the merchant, I think you have to have like 50 gold or something, or 10 gold, something like that, which you need 100 copper coins, which makes 1 silver. 100 silver equals 1 gold, and 100 gold equals 1 platinum. Let's go in here. Okay. And those are slimes right there. Oh, plus they're coming out with a new update soon. 1.1.2 or 1.2. That's what it is, I think. And they haven't had an update in a long time, and this like one of the 1.1 was like one of the best updates there were. I came in at 1.1, so because a friend introduced me to this game, he gifted it to me on Steam. Let's go, mister. Let's go. And you get hearts, and if you find heart crystals, you can get more health. Oh my god, I keep thinking I'm invincible with all my super good armor, but I'm not. And with the gel that you get from here, I suggest keep it. Just keep it, okay? Because you're gonna need to use it later in the game when you make a flamethrower, if you want to make one, which I recommend. Flamethrower is, I've never used it, but it looks really, really good. And you need a lot for it. You have to like beat the wall of flesh. Yeah, there is bosses in here. So, yeah. Okay, let's get out of here. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. Ow. And when you die, you lose your money. So, if you put it on like medium, you lose your items. I don't recommend that for like players. I just recommend the easy one or normal, whatever it's called, because you can, because all you lose is your money, and the other ones are mainly just for like video playthroughs and stuff, just like a survival and stuff. I keep thinking I got my stuff. Ooh, I might have to get used to this. Ooh, goldfish, that's good for health. This is gonna be a long series, guys. And if you don't like it, don't dislike the video. Just comment and say why you don't like it and if you want me to stop or if you want me to keep going. Ooh, there's iron. Or iron, however you say it. People always like comment if I say it wrong. I think it's iron. I think that's how you correctly pronounce it. And like share this video, guys. Share it on Facebook, um, Twitter, all that, cause I'm trying to get partnered with Social Blade, and that would be really, really cool. And these are the pots. Let's get these. Ooh, nice shurikens. Ow, ow, ow. Mushroom. Get them shrooms! That's health too. Here, let me eat that. There you go. And then you got this like really, really long time on it. If you get like a philosopher's stone, it helps. Technically, this game's like, if you put in a lot of Minecraft mods and like the 2D mod and all that, it kind of makes this, which is really awesome. And in 1.2, I think they're adding like 250 new items. Okay, there we go. Let's make a house fast. Blue slime. Oh wait, let's eat this. There you go. Wait, where's spawn? I truly don't know. I don't even remember going over this. Did we go over this, guys? I wish I had like a live chat or something that I could talk to you guys. I should make a website. If any of you guys can like help me like what am I trying to say? I do that all the time. I'll end up losing what I'm trying to say. Ow. Ow. Stay off of me. I'm gonna die. No, no, eat it. Ah. Stay off. Yeah, suckers. Why do I keep thinking I have armor when I don't? I think that's iron right there. Oh, never mind. Stone. Yeah. I truly don't know where my house is. I can't remember. Let's run, let's run, let's run. Eat this, eat this. Oiga. Get out, get out. No, 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 no. Don't do this to me. There you go. Good, good, good. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Stay off, please. No. Let's run. I can't make a house here because there's too many trees, and you can't set down a block where the trees are. Oh god, it's turning night. That's where all the creatures come out. There we go. Okay, well, let's get started. Make flaming arrows. Let's get some torches up in here. There we go. Okay, let's get a workbench. Let's grab that. There we go. Okay. Well, first, I really want to make a new weapon. Wood sword. That helps a lot. Thank you. And a bow. Yeah, I truly don't know if I want to make that right now. Let's make a sign. Gotta widen this out. No, don't kill me. Jump, jump, jump. Ow, 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 no, no, no. Oh, God. That was close. There you go. Let's block this up as best we can. Tear this tree down. Gosh, it takes so long. I'm trying to think what I was saying earlier. Edits. Wahaha. Yeah, let's make it. Well, that's gonna be the end of this video, guys. Okay. Remember, rate, comment, and subscribe. Like the video, please. It will help. Go check out some more of my other videos. Soon I can be partnered, which I will love so much. Don't rate me, please.